Hello everyone, welcome to PB Maths. Today in this video, I'm going to solve a problem in which we need to find out the area of this shaded region IGH. Here is the problem. ABCD is a rectangle which is divided into three rectangles in which area of rectangle AEDG is equals 24 cm square and area of rectangle FB HC is equals 32 cm square. We need to find out the area of a triangle IGH, means we need to find out the area of this shaded region. For that, I am going to consider the area of EFGH as x cm square. We don't know the area of this FGH, so I am taking it as x cm square. And we know that the area of the rectangle is equals length into breadth. Since we don't know the lengths and breadths of this rectangle ABCD, I am going to consider breadth of that rectangle ABCD is equals y. So breadth of this rectangle ABCD, I am considering it as y. First, I am going to find out the area of rectangle AFDH, which has length as DH into breadth as AD. Length of DH is equals to length of AF, which is given as 8 centimeter. So I am going to write it as 8 into, we don't know the value of AD, that is breadth, but the breadth of this rectangle ABCD, which is AD, I am going to consider it as y, and area of AFDH is equals area of AEDG plus area of EFGH. Area of AED is equals 24 cm square plus area of EFGH, we don't know, I'm just considering it as x cm square, so I'm going to write it as 24 plus x equals 8 into y, which is equals to 8y. Now I'm writing it in standard form, which is equals to x minus 8y is equals minus 24, and I'm considering it as equation 1. Let's move on to other side. I'm going to find out area of rectangle EFGC, which is equals to, again, its length, let's consider it as GC into breadth of that rectangle, let's consider it as BC, and area of EFGC, which is equals to area of EFGH plus area of FBHC, and length of GC, which is given, which is equals to 9 into breadth BC is equals to AD, so I am going to consider it as y. Area of EFGH we don't know, so let's take it as x plus area of FBHC, which is equals to 32 equals 9 into y, which is equals to 9y. Then I'm rewriting it in standard form, which is equals to x minus 9y equals minus 32. Let's consider it as equation 2. Now I'm going to do 2 minus 1. So x minus 9y equals minus 32. Then x minus 8y equals minus 24. Now this plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, plus x minus x get cancelled, and minus 9y plus 8y, it means minus y equals minus 32 plus 24, it means minus 8, minus minus get cancelled on either side. So y is equals 8, which is the breadth of that rectangle ABCD, which is equals to AB, not AB, AD equals BC. Now we have the length of, breadth of this rectangle. This AD is also equals to EG as well as FH. Now let's find out the area of this rectangle EFGH. Means let's find out the value of x. So I'm going to consider this as equation. X minus 9y equals minus 32. X minus 9 into the value of y is 8 equals minus 32. X minus 72 equals minus 32. X equals minus 32 plus 72 equals 40 cm square, which is the area of EFGH. So area of EFGH is equals 40 cm square. Now we have the area of EFGH, which is equals to 40 cm square. We know the breadth of this rectangle EFGH, which is equals to EG, which is 8 centimeter. Let's find the value of base or length of that rectangle EFGH. So area of EFGH is equals GH into EG. So it is 40. We don't know the value of GH, so let's write it as it is, into the value of EG is equals 8. Therefore GH is equals 40 by 8. 8 ones are 8 5s are, which is equals to 5 centimeter. Now we have the value of GH, which is equals to 5 centimeter. Now we can find out the area of IGH. Area of triangle IGH is equals half into base into height, which is equals to half into the base value GH, which is equals to, let's write GH into height. Height of this triangle we can consider either EG or AD. Even we can consider HF and BC. I'm going to consider it as EG. So half into value of GH is 5 into value of EG is 8. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are. So area of the shaded region, area of IGH is equals 20 cm square. I hope you got the solution. Thank you for watching the video, friends.